Now we're getting you inside details of the Narcotics Control Bureau's huddle that was held on Sunday. Top officials of the NCB were part of that meet, and we've been told that the NCB is told clearly to look for the big fish in this case. Officials have been told to ensure that there is a thorough probe and to collect evidence which could help build a watertight case against those involved in the supply, smuggling and the peddling of drugs. So the NCB sleuths on the ground have been told very clearly to go all out and to identify all those who are involved in this particular case. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, what really have you picked up on that meeting that was held yesterday? Clear directives, it seems, that have been issued to the sleuths on the ground.
Yes, of course, because a lot depends on the supervision of this investigation now. The NCB has widely investigated these allegations of a drug citadel in Bollywood. They have went after the drug suppliers, the drug dealers, and they have also went after the celebrities, the consumers. Now they have to decide the entire ground for the investigation as to how far do they want to go. After recording these statements of Deepika, Sara, Shraddha, this case is widely being discussed in media, and hence they have to take a call whether these actresses have to be called again or not. If they feel that they have not spoken the truth, whether do they have any more evidence, whether they have to go behind more names, big names of Bollywood or not, or whether they want to go only behind the suppliers. So these are the calls which had to be taken by the head of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana, and hence he made a surprise visit on a Sunday morning and called all the 3 top officials in Mumbai at this point of time who are investigating this entire cases, and took a marathon meeting with them to understand what is happening, what the statements have been given and what should be the next call. So we are expecting in a day or two, the NCB will come out with a clear path as to how do they want to take this case further. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.